Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Here I am again. I'm in Karaköy Güllüoğlu. Why I'm here? Of course I'm here for the baklava. Whenever I come to Karaköy, I eat baklava in this place, in the famous Güllüoğlu. Today there's something different. I have a follower called Wasim.
Hey Fatih, just wanted to make the introduction. I'm Wasim. I follow you on Instagram and subscribe to your channel as well. I'm coming to Istanbul next Wednesday to do laser surgery, so no more glasses. And I just wanted to know, it would be amazing if we could actually meet and I could include you in my vlog and you could show me around, so I get an authentic Turkish Istanbul experience. Let me know, it'll be amazing to meet up, bro. Big fan, thank you.
Wasim is from the UK and he's here right now, so he wants to meet. We meet with Wasim. He is a great guy, by the way. I'm gonna introduce him to you. They're coming, they're on the way, and we're gonna have the baklava, and I will ask the honest thoughts of Wasim about these baklavas. Does he like it or not? I will be with him today. Let's taste some baklavas. As I mentioned before, I'm with Wasim today. That's his first time in here, in Istanbul?
First time in Istanbul, yes.
First time in Istanbul, so we came to Karaköy. It's Güllüoğlu. Of course, we're gonna have baklavas here. I'm gonna ask his honest thoughts about baklavas.
And I'm not gonna lie, I'm gonna be completely honest.
Yeah, honest.
So if the baklava's not good, Turkey, I'm sorry.
Yeah, I'm always trying to be honest, so he will be honest. He can prove it if I'm a liar or I'm telling the truth.
Exactly.
So we will see it today. Let's check it out.
Let's go.
Bro, are you excited?
So excited.
What are you gonna get?
Bro, I'm gonna go with the one you said was your favorite, which was this one.
Yes.
And I'm gonna be extremely honest with you.
Tell me. Yeah, passed.
Bro, I'm not even lying. I know people do stuff and they go great, but that was incredible. The texture, the flavor. Good choice, bro. You're the man.
Well, I'm used to baklava. Normal thing for me. So good. The pistachio ones are delicious. Yet you can try the chestnut ones. That's also so delicious.
Why do you think baklava is so famous in Turkey?
We like desserts.
Yeah.
Yeah, we love sweet things.
Yeah.
Like Turkish Delight.
Yeah.
So that's why it's a tradition in Turkey. Like we like kebabs, we like meat, and also the
baklava
syrup. It's been tradition, you know, after years and years. Probably this baklava is like mixture of Arab and Turkish culture. So I cannot say that it's 100% Turkish, but it's like mixture of Arab and Turks.
Because you find in Istanbul, because of its location, you're getting combinations of influence from everywhere. And you see it with the people, with the food, and I think that's why it's so popular, because it gives you a little bit of everything in one, you know?
This one is with chestnuts, so you must try these chestnut ones as well. So good. Of course, with the Turkish tea. Or,
if you want to take it old school, Ottoman sherbet.
Ottoman sherbet, Osmanlı sherbet. You don't like it that much.
Baklava was good. What the is this? Nah.
You don't like it?
Nah, I'm not putting my name on this one. Baklava, perfect. Ottoman sherbet, get out of here. Baklava with my Turkish one.
These pistachio ones. There's cream in it also. Yeah, this is good. That's why we have bellies in Turkey as guys. We have big bellies here. This baklava is one of the reasons. We have big bellies, bro.
I didn't want to say anything, but I've seen it.
You've seen my belly?
Not your belly. Yeah.
I have also, man. I'm 100 kilos.
You know what? I was walking around Turkey and I was like, they eat so much kebab, and I didn't see a few big guys. And then I went to the gym and it was empty.
Something new going on here. They have even burger, baklava burger, and also The brand new baklavas, if you are vegan, you can have a vegan. Yeah, you got me right. They have vegan baklavas here in this shop, so you can find it here in Güllüoğlu. It's a shiny, tiny shop. These are the burger baklavas. You can see the name of this restaurant almost everywhere, but this is the original one. The others not the same with this one, so they have only one shop and it's located in Karaköy. I will share the exact location in the description. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel, like my videos and comment below what would you like to see in this channel. See you later.
Subscribe to the king.
See you later. Bye.